Are you tired of drowning in paperwork and scrambling during audits? What if you could cut investigation times by half, without hiring more staff or putting in longer hours? Imagine an AI-powered quality management system that spots problems before they happen, giving you peace of mind and better compliance with every batch. Stay with me, because today, I'll show you exactly how any pharma manufacturing site can move from manual, paper-based QMS to a modern, AI-driven system, step by step. We're talking practical solutions, examples you can relate to from daily pharma life, and secrets rarely discussed openly. Let's be honest, most pharma plants in India still rely on stacks of batch records, handwritten logs, and spreadsheets. But regulators, both CDSCO and global authorities, are now demanding real-time, tamper-proof data, and proactive quality control. Traditional systems only react after a problem has erupted. Deviation investigations get bogged down. Batch release is delayed. And when the inspector arrives, everyone's running to locate the missing document. With an AI smart QMS, everything changes. Every record is instantly retrievable. Every trend is flagged in advance. And human error is dramatically reduced. Let's get clear. AI in Pharma QMS isn't just a fancy new software, it's like adding a never-tiring quality manager that continuously scans your data for patterns no human could spot in time. Instead of someone manually sorting deviation forms, AI instantly analyzes all deviations, pulls up past similar issues, suggests root causes, and even highlights potential preventive actions. It can predict which processes or equipment might fail next, based on trends from your past CAPA reports, maintenance logs, and production parameters. And the best part? Your team finally has time to focus on real problem solving, not endless data entry. 1. Map your current QMS and pinpoint bottlenecks. Begin by walking through your current quality processes. List your document flows, deviation management, CAPA, change control, and audit tracking steps. Ask, where are the biggest headaches? Slow approvals? Lost documents? Delayed investigations? Mark those down, these are your transformation priorities. 2. Digitize documents and SOPs. Next, digitize. Scan every paper record, batch sheet, SOP, and quality manual. Use OCR, optical character recognition, tools so your scan files are searchable and organized. Create standardized file naming, add metadata, date, document type, batch number, so finding anything in future takes seconds, not hours. 3. Cleanse and standardize your data. AI is powerful, but only if fed clean, structured data. Go through your records, remove duplicates, correct typo errors, harmonize deviation classifications, and set one format for CAPA logging. This step isn't glamorous, but it's the foundation for everything that follows. Good data means accurate AI insights. 4. Select an AI QMS platform. Choose an AI-enabled QMS designed for the pharma industry. Ensure it meets all regulatory norms, GXP, 21 CFR Part 11 compliance, robust audit trails, and e-signature support. Look for features like predictive analytics, automated deviation categorization, customizable workflows, and real-time dashboards. Connect with peers, ask for demos, and check their validation documentation. 5. Pilot implementation on a single process. Don't try to digitize everything at once. Start with a critical pain point, such as deviation handling. Configure the AI system to auto-classify new deviations, link them to past records, and propose likely root causes. Track improvements, note how much time is saved, and how much error reduction you observe. 6. Train your team and revise SOPs. No system works without people. Conduct hands-on workshops to show how the new QMS works. Update SOPs to include new digital steps, required digital signatures, and assign responsibility for system review. Encourage team members to ask questions, suggest improvements, and practice until confident. 7. Continuous improvement using AI insights. Monitor the dashboard. Use AI insights, they'll reveal recurring issues, deviations by type, and process bottlenecks. Schedule periodic reviews, tweak SOPs, and keep optimizing. With every feedback cycle, your QMS grows more efficient. You can expect deviation investigations to go twice as fast. Batch release happens in real time, instead of waiting days. The system will send you proactive alerts, like warning about a potential equipment failure or missing document before it disrupts production. Audit readiness goes up. Instead of frantically hunting for batch records, everything is cross-linked and retrievable in seconds. Expect less paper, fewer errors, and far greater regulatory confidence. Naturally, change brings challenges. People may resist, so bring them into the process early, show clear benefits, and celebrate quick wins. Data migration can be frustrating. Be thorough and patient. Test samples before going live to catch issues early. Choose user-friendly systems that allow gradual onboarding. Ensure strong cybersecurity. AI QMS should protect sensitive data with encrypted access and regular backups. Digital QMS and AI aren't fads. They're the new standard that every regulator will expect, and every world-class pharma company will adopt. Those who lag behind risk costly recalls and failed audits. Start small, digitize a crucial process, clean your data, and pilot AI workflows. You'll not only save money and reduce risk, you'll prove your commitment to patient safety and global best practices. What's your biggest compliance struggle right now? Comment below or connect with me at links given in the description. I'll answer and might even create a follow-up video tailored just for you. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your pharma colleagues. Let's build the future of Indian pharma, smarter, safer, and stress-free.